Thank you, Lola Tata, sa OTD. Tsaka si Bebe nito, ganda ng shoes. Pupunta tayo sa Chongwa Hospital. Kahapon, nandun tayo sa Perpetual. Ngayon, punta tayo ng Chongwa.
Ang minamahal ko po, aking diwata.
Where are we, Shanta?
Shanta di Bisaya.
Yes, we have a reception here.
Reception nga yun. Garden wedding dito, pero may temple wedding kasi kami dun sa temple namin.
Wow, Shanta di Bisaya.
Kasama natin ngayon yung hindi nakasama sa reception, si Ate Fek Librun kasi nasa Hong Kong siya that time. Tapos si Nanay Eden. At saka si Baby Nitro. So there, look Nitro. Look Nitro.
This is my mother-in-law, and she didn't go to our wedding. So today we're taking her to the place where we got married. Nanay, first time mo ba din hi? Yes.
Adin Nitro na ako, amo mo ako kamay Nitro.
And I'm going to ask her why she didn't go. Finally, Nanay has made it to our wedding reception. How many 6 years late?
Oh my gosh, thank you Lola Tata for my OTD.
Wow, social. Come on, Nitro. So, Nanay, pakita naman mo where we got married, ha? Husay ano, Nay?
Kahusay. Kahusay buro. At kung dito.
Amoy ni din ni Nanay ang amon reception. Dini kami nagkaon ha doon. Oo. Tapos dito pa.
Cebu City?
Yes, nagigitan. Sa di ba? Tapos sa ubos ang garden wedding. Yan, magkatugitan.
Ala, oo. Runukin na tanan.
Careful.
Mahilig kita din kay Kuan.
Dulas.
Dwaine,
This is it, Nay.
amin nakitaan ko nga. Didahan. Ang video ito nga. Gazebo.
Yes, that's dito kami nagkuan, naglingkod kami ni Shanta dito. Tapos din yung mga guest naglingkod. Amo lagi apon mga lingkuran.
Lagi ang mga lingkuran. Wala ka husay.
Sa man pala.
Recall.
Di ba? Sosyal. Dini kami naglingkod kami ni Shanta dito sa stage. Tapos at hiro ng kaon dito. Ito.
Wala ka husay mo rin.
Kamusay ano?
Real good nga garden.
Yes.
Real nga garden kay mountain nga tanan. Tapos may dapat sea view.
Amo na.
Wow.
Usay, di ba? Makarit di Shanta magpili.
Pili.
Nitro, this is where Mommy and Daddy got married. Yeah, this is where Mommy and Daddy got married. Yeah, we got married here. You were still in heaven back then. And now you're here. Yeah.
Daddy,
What?
did you get married?
Yes. Daddy got married to Mommy here. Yeah. You like this place? Yeah. It's cool, hey? You want to get married here too?
No.
You don't want to get married here? No? You want to get married, Nitro?
Neil get married.
Me, I'll get married.
Yeah.
But where do you want to get married? Huh?
I don't know.
You don't know. I mean, this is probably one of the best reception, like wedding venues you can find here in Cebu. It was great. And it wasn't that expensive either. I think our entire wedding cost us 200,000. So, you know, it was great for the money.
Daddy, did you get married?
Yes, Daddy got married to Mummy here. Yeah. You went here because you were still in heaven with Jesus.
Yeah.
Yeah, you were still with Jesus. Oh, look, Mummy's up there. So here, dito sa baba, dito kami kinasal. Dito. This was the garden wedding. So this is where Shanta walked down the aisle.
Ni ato nagmarcha.
Yes.
Oo. Naglalakad pati mga animo. Animo partner nga lalaki.
Sino?
Partner nga ang kumbaga babae, maid of honor.
Oh yeah, the best man.
Best man.
Yes. This is the reception, Nanay.
What po yung
I did it.
best man?
Amo inian garden wedding.
Ano?
Dito
Garden
dito ha
wedding.
kuan. Dito ito nga bagan shelter dito nagkuan ang priest.
Oo, okay ko usit ito design.
Oo, di ba?
Hindi na talaga Dwaine ang sibu-sibu.
Oo. Amo.
Wow, iba man ang gabi nga view. Mga
Balik.
lights man na imo.
Mm.
Amoy nakikita ko dito ang bintana, ito man.
Ah, okay.
Careful that you're gonna fall down.
Ang anay kami ang init. Oo. Ang anay.
Lady mo mas kuha, okay.
Ang wari ko. Ano naman ba yun ang gabi?
One, two, three.
Lunchtime. Kain mo na. Ang sata. Oh, sa di ba Nanay?
Oo. Oo, say. May nakitang ko din yung damon, di ba damon birds, no?
This beautiful life.
Nanay. So may pakiana ako.
Ano?
Kaya nung kawaray nag-attend din namon kasal.
Hagi, damon trabaho balay. Mapaumayan na la ako. Kaya akong bilin, puros out. Amo itong reason, tapos may mga hayop pa, may mga reglarong pa. Nobody is left at home. So, I'm the responsible type. Tapos, anyway, I look forward. Ada man na kamo, magkikirigta kita everyday. Tapos, nakakanhingaan niya ako din. Special pa.
Hindi ka na ayun ng mga event ano?
Oo, tuon. Basta mga ikukan ako, invite yung mga event, yun ako. After event, itong simple na lamakan ako. Big event ko ito for me. Alay, akong vlog!
Na award. Oh. You having fun, buddy? Having fun? Hi, buddy. Hey guys, nandito kami sa Temple of Leah. Ngayon, hey, kasama si Nitro din. Woohoo! Ito ang katapusan ng vlog namin. We've just eaten. Uwi na tayo, di ba? Yes, uwi na ta. See you sa sunod na video natin. Bye!
Bye!
Bye, Nanay! Nanay, magkataga-wedding ni Nitro, ha?
Oh, ready na ko ni Nitro. Papagana ko na yung ready. Bisang diin.
Nitro, are you gonna get married?
No.
Where were you when Mommy and Daddy got married?
I was in Jesus.
You were in Jesus.
Diin?